Okay, welcome back. It is day 146, I believe, of coding every day. The recording is really nothing. It's probably like the exact same pace of what I'm talking right now. I just added something to my assembler for computer architecture that should, I literally just recorded it. It should be able to, now I can put in comments into the code I'm running. So just like a semicolon and then just, type out a comment. Um, and the assembler should just ignore it. If not, I'll fix that up. But um, also, my partner put in some nice scripts for both Linux and Windows to be able to compile and run. We'll compile and then run the API and run the UI in one command, which is nice. So next Wednesday is the final presentation for all this, and so I need to be able to show the benchmark of matrix multiplication with a pipeline, without a pipeline, with a cache, without a cache, and then also a sorting algorithm. And I'd like to make those pretty visual. I think that would be pretty cool if you could actually see exactly what's happening visually. Um, so yeah, but that's not what I wanted to talk about today. Today I had a talk with a couple students from, I believe, University of Austin, at Texas, about their startup that they're planning to make. Actually, my friend Tristan got contacted by them. I think just because they went to this. Well, I think he's doing a master's at their school, I believe. And they reached out to him about it. So he talked to them. The idea was pretty cool. And or the idea was nice. He just really likes like healthcare stuff, and that's what the startup is. Um, it's around healthcare and like translation between languages. So talk to them about that. They seem like a good group of students, and it would just be interesting. I've never worked on a startup or anything like that, so it'll definitely be. Now, I don't think I'm going to be doing much work for it until the summer. Obviously, this is all unpaid, but we haven't gone through like funding rounds or anything like that. They're just trying to get a team together. So the idea would be this summer, even though I'm going to Texas State for research this summer, I could probably. The idea is that I'm pretty sure there's like some funding rounds or some events at the end of the summer. So over the summer, would be getting a up and running proof of concept for the software, because the idea would be to like sell licensing to the software to clinics in places like that. So definitely, yeah, it sounds interesting, and it'll definitely be um, I guess nice for the resume, and you never know, it could go somewhere, but um, more for the experience of being able to, you know, work with other students on, I guess a kind of exciting idea. But yeah, so I'll let you know how that goes in the coming weeks. I need to um, send them some questions, and they're going to talk with, I believe, like some type of um, a more experienced tech person to kind of get an outline of what we want to do. But yeah, as for school, um, nothing but finals left, and so finals are in a few weeks. So I just need to make sure I'm starting to prepare for that. Most of the weekend and early next week is going to be computer architecture and making sure that that final demo is really good. Because the last demo was like, it was fine. There was a couple pitfalls, but some people just had like better demos, and I want to be up there, if not better than them. So that'll require a bit of a work this upcoming week. But yeah, and then also computer system principles. I have to do a parallel processing project that's due the 29th. So that is the outline of the upcoming week. But that is all I have for today. So I will see you tomorrow for day 147. Yeah. Okay. Bye.